Let's make chocolate covered strawberries. Hey guys, so today we'll be making chocolate covered strawberries. All the ingredients will be in the link in the description. I'm gonna start by washing my strawberries with baking soda. You can do this with salt, or you can do this with vegetable wash as well. Whatever you can use, but just do anything to get out the dirt in the strawberries. These chocolate covered strawberries are so easy and simple to make, and they taste delicious. I ended up soaking my strawberries for about 5 minutes, then I strained them and re-rinsed them again to make sure they're all clean. Then pat dry your strawberries and make sure there's no liquid left on them. Make sure your strawberries are dry, then skewer them. You can also use toothpicks/cocktail sticks just to bring some stability to the strawberries when you dip them into the chocolate. Once you've prepared all of this, start melting your chocolate. I'm using milk chocolate chips, but you can use whatever chocolate you like. If you're going to do 2 different ones, make sure you have 2 different types of chocolate. Mix it in the microwave for 30-second intervals. After each 30-second interval, be mixing it and then add it for the over 30 minutes. When there's a few bits of chocolate, you just want to keep mixing till it's fully melted. Once your chocolate is melted, you want to work very quickly. So dip your strawberry into the chocolate and make sure it's fully submerged. Just leave a little part for the green leaves. If you do not want any green leaves at all, you can remove them. I just think they look pretty. Once it's fully submerged, make sure you shake off any excess chocolate and place it on a parchment lined plate or bowl, anything you like. Just make sure it's on parchment. I did this with the remainder of my strawberries and I let them sit. After about 30 to 40 minutes of resting, I melted some chocolate and then I drizzled it on top. I used a different type of chocolate to show the contrast, and then that's it. You've got beautiful chocolate covered strawberries.